So welcome to this tutorial and you're watching Techy Roque, and this is the video on the Chrome Music Lab. So this is the experimental feature of the Chrome by Google, and you can make music or make rhythms, and these are the what is Chrome Music Lab, and this is basically for the fun and hands-on experience. And if you make music like this song maker, I made a specific video on this song maker, how to make music and add your voice in it. So watch this video in the I or description. So this is the experimental feature like song maker experiment, which lets you to share your own music, and you need to just open the site. You don't need any account, you don't need any software, any specific software. You just need Chrome or Chrome in your Android phone. For access this, so for access this, just go to any search engine and go to the Chrome and search for the Chrome Music Lab. So first link is yours and you can access them here. So this is the music maker. You can see you can make music beats in it, and this is the rhythm. You can create a rhythm for it. Like this. Here more. Like this. You can use it anywhere, and you can use it also in your music or your songs by recording them. Pause, play. Single click, apply, and again click, disappear. So this is the rhyme, and this is the spectrogram. You can check. Here is the voice, your spectrogram of your voice, and this is the mouse pointer. And this is the by default spectra of something like flute. This is the sound waves for create sound. If it's German, then you can really check how this song, and you will enjoy this one. Next, you can increase or decrease speed. I think by default is this. And you can change the music type. Next, so you can use it anywhere, and this is the best, and you will enjoy this. And this is the very great. I covered this in the end. This is the melody maker. You can check out. And this is the voice spinner. Like this, if you record this voice and you will play this, then you will hear this.
If you record this voice,
Reverse.
Play this if you record this voice and you will
play this there.
So the best is oscillators, and this, just see this. I need to create the things. And if I create a circle, then this will do the face. This is its face, body, And if I create another face, another, and you can change the rhythm. You can use it in your song, and you will like it. This is the best one. You can try at your own music lab. Just try it. I don't want to reset this. Reset. And now is the final. This one. See the cool animations in it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel for more.